Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix mouse cursor disappears in Word. Chapter 1. How to fix mouse cursor disappears in Word from mouse properties. To start, in the search box enter main.cpl. Click on the element. After that, go to the Pointer Options tab. There, you are going to uncheck the box, Hide Pointer while typing. Click Apply. After this, in the Pointers tab, click on the Text Select option. Here, click on Browse. In the list, select the Beam R option. Click Open. You can apply these changes with Apply and then OK. Chapter 2. How to fix mouse cursor disappears in Word from Device Manager. To start, right-click on the Start menu, open Device Manager. After this, on mice and other pointing devices, you are going to right-click on the mouse and choose Update Driver. Then click Browse My Computer for drivers. Now, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Finally, select the desired driver. Click Next to install it. To complete the process, click Yes to reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in again, your pointer will be available. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.